Hey everybody, it's the Technical Wizard here, and today's video is going to be rather different. It's not going to be a computer video. Instead, I'm going to be showing y'all a tutorial video on how to build wire rack shelves. And as you can see here, I have iMacs on them. So turn the camera around and we'll get started. Alright, so here's the shelves that we have. They're just the style selection shelves. You can find these at Lowe's. For what you get, they're not bad. They are 5-tier, so you can put 5 racks on them, except I only put 4 on this one. They hold up to 350 pounds. And here's the measurements if y'all want to see. Making y'all sick, I apologize. And these are like close to $80. The ones that are slightly smaller are like $3 less, so this is more of a bang for the buck. So we'll go ahead and open the box and we'll see what we have. Okay guys, so disclaimer, that box is really hard to open if you're, let's say 5'5" or so. But got these out, and you'll notice you'll have these big zip ties on there. And they're kind of hard to cut off, so unless you got like wire cutters or something, I just leave them on there because I usually don't use 5 of the racks. You'll also have these boys right here. You put 2 and 2 together, which I'll explain in a minute, to put the shelf onto the wire, or the base, whatever you want to call it. These you don't really need. You can chuck them. I mean, unless you plan to pack them up and move them. Same goes for these little spacers, right, that go on the holes of the shelf. But we're going to go ahead and cut the plastic off of these bases. Lord mercy. Set my knife aside. Well, that works too. So go ahead and pull those off, and I believe these are the top ones, because as you'll notice, they have the little screw right here, the screw-on thingamajigger, I forget what it's called, and the short part right here. Go ahead and set those right there, and pull these out of the box. Close that. And we'll pull these boys out. Not very good for it, I imagine. Scoot these over some. Alright, and these are the bottom ones. And I cut myself, nice. Because you can see they have the little black foot at the bottom and the hole where the other one, wrong way, where the other one screws in. So you can see. So I'll go ahead and organize this stuff, and we shall get started. Alright guys, so here's where we're going to set them up, right here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the little feet are tight by giving them a little twist. And do that for all 4 of them because they're usually loose when you first buy the shelves. You're going to want to grab your first shelf, and to clear up any confusion, the little wire right here should be closer to the top and not having these like a tray or something. So put them like this and you should be good. So how we're going to do this. You're going to grab a few of these. We'll sit this right here and open them. First, And on them, you will see a little top up sign. And they go on the shelf like this. They may not close perfectly, but that's okay. Because when the shelf comes down, they will close. So on them, make sure the camera's focusing, and you'll see these little circle lines on the post. When you see there's two circle lines close to each other, that is where you will put the little connectors. So if you look inside here, you'll see the little line that goes inside of the circle hole. So you just get them, look for the little line, and put it in the hole. And I think that's, trying to make sure it goes on there right. So they'll look like this. I mean, there's kind of a gap right there, but it'll close once you put the shelving down on it. Alright, now once you have all four of the posts with one clamp on them, you're going to want to get your first rack, stick this through the hole. Please don't take that out of context. And do that for each side. So you can see, just get it in there enough just so it doesn't come out while you're putting it together, because that would never end well. Yep, that's what I meant, but that didn't hurt me at least. And let's see if you can see it. Turn the camera over here some. And y'all can somewhat see it. And you're going to want to twist them some and make sure that they go in there. And so like that, you have your first shelf done. So you can see. And go ahead and put the second shelf on, then we'll move to the next step. Okay guys, so once you have your second shelf on there, what you're going to want to do is grab your upper poles, as you can see, like the short end, and what you're going to do first is you're going to get the little screw part right here and make sure it's tight in the upper part. Then you're going to stick it in the bottom pole and just, oh Lord, I almost cross-threaded it, that wouldn't be good. And just screw it in there, nice and snug, but don't do it too much. Just like that. As you can see, we got a nice flush match up with the rest of the pole. And you're going to do the same for the rest of them. And once you do that, you'll repeat the first procedures of putting the shelves on. Alright guys, so once you put the shelves together, verify that everything's tight, and your final step, of course, put something on them. So now I have my early 2001 model iMacs on this shelf. Not all of them, of course, but over here I have my 1999 slot loader models, the flavored ones. But anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed this short little tutorial. Maybe it was helpful. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll be seeing you guys later. This is the Technical Wizard, signing off.